In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter tasks in Asana using Chrome. First, open Asana in Google Chrome and sign in to your workspace. Using Chrome helps keep things smooth and consistent, especially if you rely on extensions or saved logins. Once you're in, give the page a second to load your projects and tasks so all the filtering options are available and up to date. Next, head to any project or switch to your My Tasks view. A project view is great when you want to refine tasks within a specific team or initiative, while My Tasks is perfect for narrowing down your personal workload. Either option works. The filtering tools behave the same way, so choose the space where you want clarity right now. Look toward the top right of your screen and click the filter icon. It typically looks like a small funnel and sits near the search and sort controls. This is your control panel for slicing your list down to exactly what you need to see. From here, choose the filters that match your goal. Start with assignee if you want to focus on tasks assigned to you or a teammate. This is especially helpful in shared projects to isolate ownership and avoid distractions. Then, adjust due date to see what's pressing. You can pick predefined windows like today or this week, or set a custom date range to plan ahead. If your team uses tags, filter by one or more tags to surface tasks that share a context, such as a campaign or a priority label. Finally, if your project has custom fields, things like status, effort, priority, or stage, use those to fine-tune your list. Custom fields vary by project, so pick the values that matter for the work in front of you. As you select filters, apply them to narrow your task list. You'll see the list update to show only the tasks that meet your criteria. If the view feels too strict and hides items you expected, simply relax one of the filters, remove a tag, widen the date range, or switch the assignee back to anyone. Likewise, if you still see too much, add another filter to get more specific. Combining assignee, due date, tags, and custom fields is a powerful way to focus on exactly what's relevant without losing the bigger picture. That's all there is to it. Open Asana in Chrome, go to a project or My Tasks, click the filter icon, choose assignee, due date, tags, or custom fields, and apply your filters to